Kapag buffet, matik, seafoods talagang hanap ko. Favorite ko talaga ang shrimps at tahong. Dapat may fresh veggies din. Kung ang buffet may ganitong klaseng sarap, sulit na sulit yan for me. Kaya naman napasugod ako sa South to try Food Club Manila Buffet's new branch in Festival Mall. Nakakatuwa kasi they're opening more branches to serve. Ang ganda ng bagong branch nila and I think this is bigger. This is one of the buffets I always find super sulit, lalo na ngayon may opening promo rates pa sila. They offer 100 dishes from Japanese, Chinese, Filipino, and more. First kong pinuntahan yung Japanese corner nila, they have sushi, sashimi, miso ramen, and different kinds of Japanese rolls. Nice yung salad station nila. They have ready-made salads or you can make your own. Nandito na rin yung mga fruits nila. This is their nacho and taco station. Pinoy foods like adobo, seafood with veggies, sinigang, cream of corn soup, and mushroom soup. Masarap din yung mga fried rice nila. Mechado, creamy pork, caldereta, iba-ibang Chinese cuisine. Pag saucy and glossy yung mga Chinese food, ang appetizing tingnan, no? Sarap na sarap ako dito sa crispy wontons nila. Sarap papakin. Lumpia at mga pang-alis ng umay, mga ensalada at sara. Look, may dilis and tuyo, kamatis, itlog na maalat at talong. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga dim sums, marami rin silang option. I love chicken feet and their siomai. Bet na bet ko rin yung yang chow fried rice nila. So flavorful. They also have hot pot stations, ang daming ingredients, iba-ibang klaseng noodles, veggies, and mushroom. Kaso hindi ko na to na-try, nakatatlong plato kasi ako ng shrimps. Kung mahilig kayo sa Chinese food, ang sarap ng Chinese food nila. Masarap tong beef ampalaya nila. May salmon, stir-fried string beans, tahong, my fave. Yan yung mga binalik-balikan ko dito eh. Buttered shrimp. Sa ibang buffet kasi, hindi ganito kasarap yung mga shrimps. May paletsyong kawali din sila. Sa mga naghahanap ng western carving and Italian roast beef, meron din dito. Yummy sides like mashed potatoes, buttered veggies, marinara pasta, carbonara, fish, sausages, sesame chicken, crispy fish. Madami ding magugustuhan ng mga kids dito kasi may mga fried potatoes, hot dogs, pizzas, french fries, fish skin, pansit, drink options, may mga soda, meron ding coffee, beer, at juice. Lots of dessert options too. Make your own halo-halo, mini cakes, candies and gummies, at may pa-chocolate fountain pa sila. Ang dami ring options sa dessert. Wish ko lang kaya kong tikman lahat. Pero favorite ko kasi ang palitaw, kaya ito talaga yung kinuha ko. At syempre, ice cream. Si ate, kala niya siguro ang takaw ko. Punong-puno ng ice cream yung isang baso. Lagyan natin itong favorite ng daughter ko para mainggit. Yum! Hindi ko pa ubos yung food ko, nagde-dessert na. Pang-alis lang ng umay. Busog, happy, and super satisfied ako after. Can't wait to come back and bring my whole fam to Food Club Manila in Festival Mall.